If you own a GoPro, you must have felt that sometimes it is a little bit difficult to control this tiny camera by just using its buttons or touchscreen, especially if it's mounted somewhere where it's not so accessible, right? So to overcome this struggle, the newer models of GoPro come with the option of voice commands, which let you control your GoPro camera without using hands but just your voice. So in this video you'll learn how to control your GoPro using the voice commands in a few simple steps. Hey, I'm Andy, filmmaker and author of Project GoPro, my online video making school specialized on helping people make better videos using action cameras like GoPro. Down in the description you'll find a link to download the free GoPro settings cheat sheet that has already helped hundreds of people set up their GoPro. Go and check it out. But without any further ado, let's get started. Does your GoPro have voice control? You get this option of voice control only in newer models, as mentioned before. These models can understand the voice commands in 10 different languages. Here's a list of these models. We've got GoPro Hero 9, GoPro Hero 8 Black, Hero 7 White, Silver and Black, GoPro Hero 6, the GoPro Fusion, then GoPro 5 Black, GoPro 5 Session and Hero 2018. How to use voice activation on GoPro. The voice command feature in GoPro is not enabled just out of the box. You need to manually turn it on. So let me show you how to do it. It's quite simple. So just scroll down, go to Preferences, and you should be able to find voice control, and you got it here, voice control, it's already on. Once these simple steps are followed, you are all set. Your GoPro is now listening to you. Now, you don't need to memorize all of the commands because you can always find them on your GoPro under Preferences and List of Commands. So go back to Preferences, you should be able to see the commands here, tap on Commands. And that's it. These are the commands that GoPro will recognize when you call them out. In the same menu of preferences, you can also set your preferred language for the voice control. 12 GoPro voice commands. GoPro voice commands is a cool feature which is surprisingly simple and intuitive too. It lets you start and stop recording videos, capture photos, start and stop time lapses, turn your GoPro off or on, and so much more. Here is the updated list of the 12 commands at the time I've recorded this video, of course, that come standard in all GoPro cameras that support voice commands. The list is GoPro start recording, GoPro highlight, GoPro stop recording, GoPro take a photo, GoPro shoot burst, GoPro start time lapse, GoPro stop time lapse, GoPro video mode, GoPro photo mode, GoPro time lapse mode, GoPro burst mode, GoPro turn off. The 2 secret GoPro voice commands. There are also 2 secret voice commands that your GoPro might understand. These 2 commands are not listed officially by GoPro, but they should work. Try it out. So these are "that was sick" and the second is "oh shit." You know, when you use these commands, your GoPro will do the same as it would do if you use the GoPro highlight command. It will basically mark the video at the exact moment and put an highlight tag at the moment where you added it. So how cool is that? Supported languages. As mentioned before, GoPro voice control supports 10 languages. These languages include English, US and UK, Australian and India, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Chinese, Korean and Japanese. GoPro voice commands is a fantastic and useful feature. Now you no more need to fiddle with complicated menus of your GoPro while you're having fun and doing your favorite outdoor activities such as like surfing, climbing, cycling or paddling or whatever. But remember that if you enable voice control when the GoPro is turned off, when the GoPro is basically not functioning, then the battery will drain over time even if the GoPro is switched off. That's because it needs the use of a little bit of power in order to keep listening to what you're saying. So my suggestion is to keep this function disabled when the GoPro is not powered. and enable it only when the GoPro is powered on. Alright, I really hope that you found this video useful, and thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, as it will help the YouTube algorithm show it to other GoPro enthusiasts like you. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.